Yeah, so we are done cutting them round, and the next is just to start gluing down. And after gluing down, we'll have to proceed to placing our lining inside the crown, so at least the hat should look very um, good and beautiful. All right, so to fix our lining, all we need to do is face it down the way I did earlier on in at the part 2 or in the part 2, then attach glue at the corner sides of the crown. Then you can now fix your lining. So basically that is what it entails, and by the side too, just add little glue that will hold the lining up. Then while you want to fold in, apply the glue, just exactly what I'm doing. Follow the steps, and of course you will achieve all that you have set out to achieve concerning this fascinator or this hat. So at this point, when you are done fixing the lining, you can as well get a petersham ribbon and sew through. You understand? So basically that is it for that. But before you put a petersham ribbon, I will advise you attach your elastic band. I'll be showing you how to do that too here, and afterwards you can now fix your petersham ribbon. Then if you want to if you prefer to embellish before you do all this, good for you. If you feel it's after that, you can embellish also well. Just go with the one that works best for you. And we'll also be showing you how to attach the elastic band like I earlier said, and also do little embellishments of how I actually fixed some other things. All right. Okay, so you can see how beautiful this turned out. Just check for any opening. If there are none, you can proceed to your embellishment. So I actually decided to use this, and it came out nice and fluffy, more fluffy, you know. So I'll be attaching it with a hot glue gun, just as you can see. So basically that is it, and afterwards I'll be showing you how to fix your elastic band if you don't know that yet. So that is it for now, and keep enjoying the video. So to fix the elastic band or headband, all you need to do is get a needle and thread of the same color, or you can actually resort to the invisible thread which I'm using. Then get your elastic band. I took 9 inches because some part of the human head will be entering this crown because it's a bit large. So having more than 9 inches might result to the elastic becoming loose. So I actually did that on purpose. So but if you feel that it's not up to what you would like it to be, you can increase. If it's too much for you, you reduce depending on the size of the head. So that is that for that. And you can just take a close look at how I'm actually fixing the elastic band. And afterwards, everybody knows how to fix their flowers. Anybody can fix flowers, so I believe you have a way of fixing your own flowers. So I didn't bother showing that aspect. And already the video is already too long, so I didn't want to extend it. Alright, and after fixing your elastic band, even some people might just want to go for the simple look of this hat right now, aside from without fixing the flowers. So depending on the taste of the clients, also consider that, and depending on your taste, you know what you like, so you know how best to actually attain what you want. So basically that is it. And I think I'm already fixing the second part of the elastic band, and afterwards the hat is of course ready. There is no much things to do here again. So please, and on Instagram, you can actually follow us on Instagram if you are yet to do that. We are Fesse Collection. Just type Fesse Collections, you'll see us. And please, we would appreciate if you can follow us on Instagram. And if you are yet to subscribe on our channel, please do subscribe. This is Fesse Millinery is the name of the channel. Please subscribe, and you have access to other videos you really want to learn from. Thank you, and God bless you.